All right, fourth graders, here is our I can statement. Let's read this real quick and kind of decipher what it says, all right? So, I can interpret and represent patterns when multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000 in arrays and numerically. So this one in arrays is an interesting concept, which we'll go over today. But basically the rest of this concept means, interpret means just figure out, decipher what it means. All right. So an interpreter in a different language can take something said in Spanish and interpret it into English. Okay. Kind of like a translator would do it. All right. So interpret means to figure out meaning. Okay. So a little, what this comes down to be is if I say I have like 6, say times 40. Okay. You might look at that and say, well, that seems kind of difficult, but if I use my patterns of 10 and just understand, all right, well, this would be the same as 6 times 4 tens. All right, and if I just said, well, I'm just going to do 6 times 4, I know is 24. So if I say 6 times 4 is 24 tens, okay, I know the number 10 has got 1 0 at the end. So that comes out to be 240, right? What we talked about last year as well is that we just kind of take the lead. If we see this 0 here, we take this lead number, say 6 times 4 is 24, but it's not just 6 times 4, 6 times 40, which is 4 tens, so we put that 0 on the end to complete it. So if I counted by 40 6 times, I'd end up with 240. So essentially that's the pattern. If I see like 6 times 4, that's 24. Say 6 times 40, all right, just adding that 0 here, that's 240. See how that works? And if I say, well, 6 times 400, well, I still stick with the same 24 all the way down, but now we're talking about hundreds. So I just put the 2 zeros on the end, and I end up with 2,400 or 2,400. So these types of patterns are going to work with today, all right, and help us out and get quicker with math, all right? The arrays are an interesting concept, like I said, so we're going to work with that a little bit. You're going to try some on your own. We're going to work with me. But overall, let's just kind of get brushed up on this and have some fun. All right, we'll see you in a bit for the problem set.